Hi, this is Ruben Chettis, engineer and intern from Saratech, and welcome to our Tips and Tricks tutorial series. Thank you for watching this video on simulating the process of 3D printing. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any suggestions or specific requests for tutorials on topics you'd like us to cover, please add them in the comments below. Additionally, if you have any questions about anything covered in this video, please be sure to ask your question in the comments below. If you'd like to see other tutorials like this, please check out our other videos here on our YouTube channel. We also offer our online customer enablement series held on the first and third Thursday of each month. This is a free 30-minute live video tutorial series where our software experts will share their tips, techniques, and knowledge that will help sharpen your skills. To sign up for this series, please contact us at info@saratech.com. In this video, we will be covering how to simulate the 3D printing process. So as you can see here, our geometry is actually a nose cone. But this nose cone isn't 100% accurate because the shoulder right here is created off of supports, and we'll use this support to compare it to a 3D model printed with supports and one printed without supports. So for this model, we've already set up our materials and we've already set up our simulation. So for this model, we're going to have a thermal and a mechanical simulation. So the first thing we're going to do is define our thermal slice, and we're going to click up here. We want our mode to be automatic, and we want our number of slices, let's say 5. 2 is too little, we'll do 5. 5 seems like a good amount, we'll click OK. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to define our mechanical slicing. Click up here, let it load. So this is too much. So we want our thickness to be 5 millimeters. Enter. And then we get a little more spacing between each slice. And we'll call that good. We'll click OK. So once we've defined our slicing for both the thermal and the mechanical model, we're going to want to prepare our nose cone for its mesh so it can be ready to go. So we're just going to go up here and click 3D tetrahedral mesh. We're going to leave everything the same. There's no need to change anything, and we're going to click OK. And from here, it's going to take a little while. It's going to load, so we'll come back when that's done. Okay, so now we're back, and we see that our geometry's finally been meshed for us, and we look at it, and it's not the prettiest mesh, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to keep it short and simple, and it's going to have to do. So we have our mesh up here for our nose cone, and then this is our support. So from here, we're going to start our solving, and we're going to go to computation options up here in additive manufacturing. We're going to click it, let it load. We're going to go to support failure. We're going to make sure this box is not checked. We're going to go to stress relief. We're going to go to no stress relief, and then we're going to go to alpha/strain, and we're going to click stiffness dependent alpha, and we're going to click OK. Let that load, and we're good to go. From here, now our model is actually ready to solve. So we're going to click up here. We're going to click on solve simulation. Let it load. Okay, so from here, it's actually going to take a couple minutes maybe, so we'll come back when this is done. Okay, and now we're back, and we can see that our model's been solved. And for this tutorial, we're only going to look at the solution for the mechanical model. So we can see that on the left, this is the one with support, and the one on the right is without the support. So we look at both, and we compare their stresses at the lowest points and at the highest points. And you can see that the one with supports has both lower stress at the minimum point and at the maximum point. So we look at our right, and we have to determine whether this is good enough for us to print or if we're going to have to redo our model. And in this case, the stress is relatively low everywhere. However, if you see a lot more red all over our simulation, then we'd know that we'd have to do more and we'd have to fix it. However, this seems good to go, so we're going to leave it as it is. That's going to do it for us today on simulating the 3D printing process on Simcenter. Thank you so much for watching our Tips and Tricks tutorial series. This is Ruben Chettis, engineer and intern at Saratech. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to post any questions down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out our other support videos here on our YouTube channel and tune into our customer enablement series every first and third Thursday of the month. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for checking out our channel. If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter for the latest engineering news and information. And to see all of our upcoming events, please visit our website at saratech.com/events.